Hey, welcome back to OhmKat TV. Here we're going to introduce you to one of our newest products, the Night Light Solar Powered Security Light. We're going to go through an unboxing and then show you how it works. First, I want to show you about what we have here. First, our packaging. Just so you know, we are environmentally conscious. We went with a craft paper, fully recyclable packaging for this box. A little bit of plastic inside, but we try to keep it as clean as possible. Now, first, when you see the attributes here, one, it's solar powered. You only need about 6 hours to charge it. That charge will keep it going all night long, 10 to 12 hours overnight. It'll work for years. We integrate with our doorbell chimes so that when you ring a doorbell, this will light up. The motion sensor is excellent. It is a Doppler radar system. It does not require line of sight. It will reach through fog, cloud, and even items that are in the way. It goes on a low light at night, meaning it is dimmed up to about 20% and stays on all the time to give you some light. And then, as everything, OhmKat offers a lifetime warranty on all our products. If at any time this night light fails, we will replace it free of charge. All right, so let's do the unboxing. First we have here is our instruction sheet. Tried to make it pretty simple. We'll deal with that in a little bit. Second, we have our light. And this is in there tight, so it's a little difficult to get out. There it comes. First, we have our bracket for attaching to the house. Comes with screws. And the 2 bits of plastic packaging we couldn't get around. Okay, first, take a look. Here's our solar panel. Really great solar panel. It powers our lithium battery, and it is pretty strong. The lights here, we have one button, which turns it on. You can see the brightness. It's also used for pairing. You can see the back here. This is a really simple system. Once you attach it to the wall, just slide it on, and you're done. Okay? Now I'm going to go charge it, and we'll be back in a little bit to show you how to do a pairing and an installation.